It's a level 4, you can progress towards level 5 units. And if you're not able to complete level 5, you will be awarded HNC, which is higher national certificates, if you have enough credits for level 4 qualification. And this program is for 2 years, which will actually cover 2,400 hours. So totally for level 4 and level 5, 120 credits each, totaling 240 credits will be covered. Now, the higher national qualification delivery at GBS is 1 year, comprises of 4 semesters. The first semester will be running from September to December. Semester 2 will be from January to March. Semester 3 from March to May, and semester 4 will be from June to August. And one semester is equivalent to 10 weeks, and we will be offering 2 units in each semester. Now, progression to university after completing this HND program, you can take up a top-up course, and which is known as level 6 course, and then you can get into BSc Civil Engineering, BSc Building Surveying, BSc Quantity Surveying, Architectural Technology or Engineering, Building Services Engineering, Construction Management, Project Management, Facilities Management, or Structural Engineering. And after completing this course, you can also go for employment as planning supervisor or planning engineer, construction manager, then construction supervisor, health and safety manager, project manager, site manager, CAD technician, site supervisor, design and build coordinator, or assistant design coordinator. Most of our students are working in the industry. And coming to abbreviations, BTech is Business and Technology Education Council. HNC is Higher National Certificate, which will be given after completing level 4. And HND is Higher National Diploma, which will be given after completing both level 4 and level 5. And CM stands for Construction Management. So in a nutshell, Pearson qualifications are occasional, it is practical and career-based, and it is a work and study mode. It is grounded in the real world of work. And actually, whatever we are discussing is based on the Dubai regulations, and you will get to know the in and out of construction practices, that is, and also the regulations that is happening in this part of the world. And we also have site visits and tie-ups with industry experts who comes and shares their experience. And also we have site visits so that they will come to know about the different techniques and the methodologies that they follow in this part of the world. And learners develop and apply the knowledge that employees are looking for. We don't have any exams. Our assessment is based on assignments. The grading is qualitative. That means there are 3 grades, which is pass, merit, and distinction. It is stress and tension free. And also our external standard verifiers have appreciated our efforts. And regarding GBS Dubai, we are situated in Dubai Knowledge Park with all the amenities around us, which is in Block 5. We have all the transport and accommodation available, and scholarships are also available. And if you are someone who's looking for construction management program, please reach out to our admissions team. You can reach out in this number, or you can email to at recruitment@gbs.ac.a. So these are some of the images of GBS. You can see our campus. This is our entrance to GBS Dubai. And thank you so much. Thank you for joining. And I'm
Thank you
ready to
so
take
much,
up
Dr. Rashma.
any
Thank
questions you
so
have.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Rashma. It was a pleasure speaking to you. Shah, you have a question. Are you able to type it in the Q&A, please? I will be moderating the questions, Dr. Rashma. So
Okay.
just 1 second. Okay. Shah, Shah, I have enabled your microphone. If you would like to ask the question through audio, you are able to do that.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, I just want to ask one question. Okay, for example, if the building we want to demolish, okay, we want to completely, so during the to making bringing this down building, so we require again to manpower to do this all, or is there any way to like how the machines are working? We can do
You're talking about demolition, right?
exactly.
So demolition is controlled explosion that they generally do. They will give this explosives on structural elements, for example, columns, and the building will fail. That is controlled explosion. That is what they
Okay.
do.
Okay. And second question, okay, is this the diploma or degree? It is, I mean, it is recognized in the Ministry of Education in UAE.
We are recognized by KHDA, Knowledge Human Authority in Dubai.
So it's not recognized by the MOE, yeah?
No, Shah, this is a Pearson accredited diploma. It is not under the ministry, which is why our admission requirements are different. It is also not a 4-year program. To complete your bachelor, it would be a 3-year program. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. All of our programs, none of our programs are under the ministry.
Okay. So this machine, the 3D printing machine, is doing only, I mean, the outside and all this, what is called the plaster, and this all can done by 3D printing, or it is something else required?
No, it is the printer itself is doing. See, for example, in the Dubai municipality building, they required only 3 workers and along with that printer. But the workers will be skilled related to how this software and how the printer and the feeder works.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for that. If we don't have any more questions, okay, what we're gonna do is we will share the recording with all the candidates who attended, and we will share Dr. Rashman's. Oh, Priyanka has a question. Yes, Priyanka, go ahead.
Hi, Junaid. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Priyanka?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I have a very simple question. The question that I have is: suppose somebody is going for HND for 2 years and wanted to like withdraw the application, or you can say if due to some emergency at home or something, so, like somebody is completing his 1 year HNC and wanted to take break and then go for HND later on. So, is it possible?
Yes, I can answer that question for you. It is possible.
Oh, perfect. And one more thing, Junaid, so like, will he get any certificate like HNC directly from us, like from GBS, or he has to go for with Pearson?
No, this is a question that has come up before. Um, the short answer is the student has to be enrolled in the 2-year program in order to receive a document from us that is accredited by Pearson, and that will be the HND. Okay. Now,
HND.
in terms of HNC, there have been exceptions where the student has been able to get in touch with us and with Pearson and explain why the continuation of studies is not possible. And
Okay.
in that case, there have been rare exception circumstances for the HNC certificate.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. So another question I'm asking, just out of curiosity. So, ma'am, like, is Burj Khalifa is like design as per 3D printing technology?
No,
Okay.
it's a conventional method, cast and sitter
Conventional
with
method.
framed structure. It's a framed structure.
Okay. Okay. All right, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Junaid.
Thank you. We
Uh,
have a
there is
couple
a
more.
question actually.
Yes.
The question is, I think you can answer that. Does this program support international students? Yes.
Absolutely. That was a very short question, and we can answer that, of course. I have enabled the microphone of Festus. Festus, you can go ahead and ask the question, and then I will go ahead and take the next question. Festus, do you want to ask your question through audio? You're going to have to unmute yourself.
I think I can answer that question.
Okay.
Festus, we have many international students who are doing, and we do support international students. We have students from Ecuador, we have students from Nigeria, we have from India, and even we have students from Sri Lanka. So we do support international students. I'm just
Thank you
saying
so
some
much.
nationalities where there are a lot of, I think around 50 plus, right? I'm not
Yep.
sure, 50 plus nationalities studying over here across all the programs. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
Festus, do you have any other questions?
Nope, I think that was the. Yeah, you're welcome, Festus.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Again, we'll be sharing the recording, and we're very happy and grateful to you, Dr. Rashma. We're very happy that you were able to lead this for us. Thanks again to everybody, and we hope to see you all again soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you so much. Thank you all for joining us. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.